Hello! Another very quick unboxing of a small business that I believe in. They are called Craftspring, and they are a wonderful company that use very good materials to make beautiful handmade ornaments and tree toppers, and I will link all of their stuff down below, their website and their Etsy shop, and also their Instagram. They're all handmade by women in a village in Kyrgyzstan, and you couldn't support a better cause than that, of having ladies be able to make their own money, make things by hand, and support someone who really could use the business. So they send it in this paper bag. It's probably recycled, I'm sure. And I got two. One is for my mom, and they come in these beautiful reusable cloth bags. Isn't that beautiful? And it says gifts from the heart on the package, and then on the bags it says handmade magic. And the bags are so wonderful because you'll be able to pack it back in there and keep it nice forever. So this first one I got from my mom, and both of them, of these angels anyway, can be tree toppers or ornaments, because under her dress is hollow, and then she also has a little tie on the back of her, so you can choose whether you want her to be the angel on the top or an ornament. And she has a little felt poinsettia in her hands. Look at the details of her hair. Turn this around. Her hair is actually in that hairstyle where it's braided and then swirled all the way around. I can't get over these ornaments. I am just in love with this shop. I hope they stay in business for a very long time, because I'd love to get at least one or two every year and add them to a collection, because they are just something else. Look at her face. Isn't her face so pretty? The expressions that they have on their faces is just what made me have to have them. So beautiful. So the next one is the one I picked out for my family. We have never had an angel for our tree, and I had only had a very small star for years that doesn't work anymore. So I wanted something special that I could use like forever, and I definitely got something special in this. She was so pretty. I mean, I literally almost cried. So here she is. She has tiny little pearl beads sewn all the way around her coat. And again, look at her face. Oh, so pretty. They had a lot of these angels that had the little banners in their hands that said different things. And this is her hair in the back. And see, she also has a string, so you can either have it be an ornament or use her as a tree topper like I'm going to. So if you're looking for an unusual gift for someone that's very pretty, very handmade and beautifully handmade, and that supports a very good cause, who's also eco-friendly, please think about checking out their shop. Everything will be down in the description box, like I said. Shop small, shop handmade, help each other out. I send all my love to all of you. Happy holidays. Take care.